Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log in to the Khaliji bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.alkhaliji.com and hit enter. After the home page of the Khaliji bank opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see three options. Click on the to access personal internet banking option. After you click on the personal online banking option, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You'll have to fill in your username here, your password here, and then click on the submit button. Once you click on the submit button and if you have filled in these credentials correctly, you'll be automatically logged into the Khaliji bank. I hope this video helped you to log into the Khaliji bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.